Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study the remaining topics of the chapter Louis Pasteur. A problem solved, a new problem, and a microbe for every job. The alcoholic beverages that went bad contained two sorts of microorganisms, yeast and bacteria. The drawing shows some of Pasteur's evidence. Beer could be spoiled in many different ways. For each type of spoilage, Pasteur found different bacteria mixed with the yeast. Each type of bacterium was adding different chemicals to the alcohol. They needed to be kept out or destroyed. Pasteur knew that bacteria could be destroyed by high temperatures, but that would also ruin the alcohol or beer. He tried keeping alcohol at 55 degrees centigrade for a while. It was hot enough to kill most bacteria, but not so hot it spoiled the drinks. His idea worked. Most milk is pasteurized before it is sold. Pasteur knew that bacteria could be destroyed by high temperatures, but that would also ruin the alcohol or beer. He tried keeping alcohol at 55 degrees centigrade for a while. It was hot enough to kill most bacteria, but not so hot it spoiled the drinks. His idea worked. Most milk is pasteurized before it is sold. Soon afterwards, people all over the world were using Pasteur's method. They called it pasteurization. Different temperatures and heating times were needed for each type of food or drink. Pasteurization let them destroy most of the microorganisms in foods and drinks without changing their flavors. Pasteur realized that microorganisms were responsible for many natural changes, like breaking down their bodies of dead plants and animals. Material made by living things is called organic matter. Microorganisms help to break it down by using it as a source of nutrients. Compost heaps got hot as microorganisms break down the dead plant materials. When microorganisms carry out respiration, some of the energy they release escapes as heat. So this pile of rotting plants is getting quite warm. Pasteur predicted that One day we would use microorganisms to make many different chemicals. He was right. Microorganisms are now used to produce vast quantities of industrial chemicals, vitamins, and medicines. They are grown in large metal tanks called fermenters. Scientists separate out the useful products made by microorganisms from the water they have been grown in. So the summary of the chapter comprises: Pasteur showed that yeast converts sugar to alcohol and bacteria convert sugar to other products such as lactic acid. Now it's your homework to answer the questions. Thank you for watching my video.